Medafo, mami mo akwaba emfa umbra GCN page so munuaba adwa sechi me enam de jumede we ebro na mesro so be subscribe to my channel na odon sa emia be on so ube ya notification ense me ekoso wo me mo bia obenye bia tie anase obenye bia hwe e wo GCN page ha Ora Bernard Alote Jacobs former Central Regional Chairman de ma NDC Amayoko no ena okase na Ora Alote Jacobs ni sama okay na say hey and here from almost fix the country you know omo ka hashtag fix the country no mon ka mo anuntum because enya government we nkwa no wa betina konwe so a enyema enkoyie enya his excellency na nado dan kwakufu ado na MPP government nkwa no mo aba power enyema enkoyie biko osremo opamonchew because abai bebrabe abetin etwebuko oman Ghana de etianete sisi youth no mo enya adwuma enya mo ese hashtag fix the country no e bia besenko since ayete Ghana be 60 something years ni no youth no adwuma na yenya enya no bebre unemployment no de hey ni rate no e was very high ache say the etianete e wo omanmu amanfo bebre mo awie training college nursing training university all mo kura masters degrees omo nya adwuma enya no enye new e yade dada afi hashtag fix our roads na amanfo e kase akwan nya na de ade no ana say his excellency na no dan kwakufu ado na bre so krade akwan ni bebre ye enye na do nkwa no aba na bre so akwan ye Ghana yenya 60 something years no still akwan bebre nye e wo oman Ghana ha ena afi so chese enyema bebre amanfo e kase his excellency na do dan kwakufu ado na MPP government omo fix no enye new eye tetiade aba etwem enti se mba kase hashtag fix the country na ede na mo pa kire ede agenda e na mo pese mo set mo nka mo anuntum because nyam MPP government pe e na wabeye anase his excellency na do dan kwakufu ado e na wabeye president e wo manmu enyama enkoyie enyama start se enkoyie wo manmu ache yi papa enti no yenka ya no enfentu na mom hashtag fix the country na omo e ka no eye say oman no ebe fix na afenso yentimemfo no so ya fix ya adwen because adwen no enya kra Africans ya adwen no entwa ye enti se ye pese government no fix the country no dia yenso timemfo no yen ya adwen ye na ensem say na eye Ora Bernard Alote Jacobs our former Central Regional Chairman de ma NDC Amayoko no de etuja
apoda every political party be obobia so etumu convince one what omo that's one road one of their greatest demand one year one when yesu ohini etuma extend insu ibrea 1960 Kwame Nkrumah mo wonsu we expanding insu da the ohini ebotuma aboa hashtag let us fix it together. Ninyinan only there say you to me nya yeroboa in our own small way of helping the system. It will go a long way also to advance the progress of this country. But immediately propaganda nyambum kim magajo there is too early because you might not know what might happen next year. Measures are sabi aban be putting in place are obotumune wa alleviate the sufferings of Ghanaians. As a no kwasami people are suffering. It's a fact.
Dema.
Na fiti imrea yesi Kwame Nkrumah as prime minister and the president Debia Ghana ha oyimpa bre nti ebre ye ken this is not the first time ebeke de Ghana for year bre Debia party bia ba power ye bre
nti enkodom bre dem a
so you ask yourself as an individual abadin na muso meye meza abo mo ho oba benefit obi so so oracle about youth unemployment and the youth fund. This is what they are saying. A lot of the youth are working universities. What they are geared towards white collar jobs. Nti Jamia hashtag fix it in. Let us concentrate on youth entrepreneurship. What can government do? That is why I'm saying there is a need for a broad consultation among politicians, among stakeholders in this country. Now, Yadija, NDC, MPP, OKC, AGA. It will get us nowhere. But more like what the finance minister has done, and that's I read. Also there, he met those conveners on 1 year discussions, explain certain things to them. That is what it should be broadened. It should be broadened. On an issue of youth of political parties now will come together to make hashtag fix Ghana. No, it shouldn't be like that.
But Uncle G.D. BB or their fixer.
Look, every day we need to fix it because look, we have aspirations, we have our big dreams. We are not getting there. In there, Equekrasi be wa. Sebita fracture one way offended. One toilet away shitu. Shitu nubua was a banambo one. And you say, Misha Adum TV. Wo yi the make crossing nation crossing kakaka to them. Ne Sebita fracture one ejina another shitu. One gasa we bubu na wo catch abandon bob one. Then this country we are not serious as a nation. Because everything should be dependent on government. Now this government also came in as I read it. Was the see toilet P was a oyabana one wobe see toilet. You tend to discourage the government. And see how would the other people who are crying for government help to build toilets for them, how would they also get their share of the toilets? It's also another problem. In Kraha, say toilet account. Today I mean muchum na toilet account. All send them multimedia for when you mean to Obama come abesana ko. Na bisa unde obi ana ngase onyim han sabita fracture toilet kana oboko toilet wahi. That is why you see a lot of black robbers at toilet room na wachichi na wa to gukotim. Look, our attitude is killing this country. Our character and attitude. If we don't change our attitude, if we don't change our character,
the same character no wahana udwa buchia ebaze no wasesa.
Enyima,
mamteo.
Moko baby, muwo easy na moko factory inspection. Nti yakro teki. Na yakro restaurants yekezizi we are yako factory. Swancha kama to nonsense. Na makacha wonde wonjina baby kakra mamne munswanchi. Ose wo be chami. Ewa na wo wie so a car ni watching. Na company ni so a wonyimu na mo wo ji so wo be chi wona kan. Na wa fine one. Na me say inti da me say munswanchi mu wo kalima. Was that is the best option. Asama wo kacha mi.
Nje won swancha ba no.
Inti sometimes in how we control our mentality, how we control our human organs also helps. And see me kakra. No watch as the watch CCTV cameras all around. But Ghana and Edua, go to South Africa. You get a lot of these things. I have been mukade abrofo watching Azana when your independence in so develop. Na ya kakade self-government now. You been mukade yanchuan kakran yanchuan. But this is an argument.
Yeah.
What is important in there? Let us all, as Ghanaians, the which way abakone abafa. That is what I'm saying there. A lot of the students coming out of our universities and polytechnics, they are all geared towards white collar job. Now, look, actually, the mass of army of youth for our tertiary institution. It be someone there. And you find na ban botuma for one.
Na uncle, aban kado besi one district one factory.
Maba, I'm coming to that.
Okay.
I'm answering my in-law.
Okay.
I'm coming to that.
Okay.
I'm not the maka chair. Nzi na mese no question the maka. Na ni baby ofi traditional roofing. Wenya adi egunfi fruit juice wo ho. It has employed over more than 300 people. And outgrowers were more than 600. It's an improvement. You were Casa de Ropa. Casa de Rope. If you pay for no one was set up where no way one grofo.
Yeah.
Now so Aban gave them 50 million Ghana cedis to help them set up that factory. Nesisia ma wo bewadi wo amenfi wo asebu wo Winneba Junction adi nyina